back to my channel. So today I will be making a small website in a few minutes, a sample website, to show that making website has never been easier than now, and the coding has been so easy. So I will be making it in bottle pie, and for front end I will be using Tailwind CSS and tail blocks. So be with the video to see how I made it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So well, for this session I will assume that you know how to make a virtual environment and know how to install Bottle. I would also assume that you know how to make roots in a Bottle app and add templates to it. So let's begin now. To make our site appealing, we will be using Tailwind CSS and tail blocks. Little bit drag and drop, lol. Well, once our front end is ready, we will move to our back end. Well, in my front end, I added support for newsletter and contact forms. So I will need to make two routes with post method extra. Once done, we will save them and run. Woohoo! Now our site is ready to go. Now you can deploy it in Heroku or Python anywhere, or even Azure or Google. There are many more which you can check out in internet. Well, if you are having difficulties in programming your backend, you can always check the documentation. It's always a good practice to check the official documentation in order to troubleshoot the error you are having. So well, I have coded the whole site. Well, actually a site can be made under 5 minutes, but at that short time you may miss out a lot of functionality. Well, the site is now ready and looks like this. Well, some of the parts are still broken. As I told you, we miss out a lot of stuff when we make a site in 5 minutes, and yeah, you should at least give 20 minutes to make a at least bare basic site. So that's for today, and if you like the video, you know what to do. Press the like button. If you dislike, yeah, that means the video sucked. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon such that you never miss an update from my channel. And so thanks for watching and giving your precious time to my video. It will be in description. So if you want to check it, then you can simply go and check the code.